Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ṣahih Al Bakhari. I'm the President of Islamic Society of Victoria, also known as Preston Mosque. I am proud and humbled to launch the new plans for Preston Mosque. As President of the Islamic Society of Victoria, I take responsibility that Allah Azza wa Jal has given the committee and I to make this house of worship a transparent hub for all Muslims and non-Muslims to understand the beauty of Islam. After much work on restructuring the mosque, providing a transparent process and team, I am pleased that the Islamic Society of Victoria Building Subcommittee has progressed with the launch of the new designs of Preston Mosque.
You know, when you think of Preston, Preston is the heart and soul of Islam in Australia.
Because everybody else comes to the mosque and they attend, but I go and I look up, I see my dad. I remember as a little kid, I'd say, Bobo, did you see me today? He goes, yeah, I saw you, don't worry, I saw you. You know? So, you know.
We used to have a van that used to sit out the front and offer kharnoob and there was people selling corn and on Friday after Jum'ah there was bread and honey and fruit and vegetables all at the front. It was a little mini market, it was fantastic and people used to mingle and talk. It was such a hub, it was beautiful, it was thriving.
I have fond memories of Taraweeh prayers and Laylatul Qadr nights, followed by warm hugs from sisters and aunties whom I never knew.
It's a legacy of his that continues on, even though he may not be here today.
It's going to offer health and wellbeing services. It's going to offer further education, both from a life perspective and an Islamic perspective as well. And on top of that, it's still a place of worship where you can do all these type of things in one great place.
I want my children's children to stand here and your children's children to stand here and say, you know what, this place looks amazing. I'm so glad our forefathers had the foresight to future-proof this place. That's what it's all about. Because if we don't, the excitement about coming to the mosque disappears. You want somewhere to be warm and inviting, and that's what we're here, that's what we're charged with.
My father would be your biggest fan, because now you guys are talking about, okay, Sheikh, the platform was here, now we want to go leveraging off your platform to go even further and do more and continue on your vision of you and those other early pioneers. We want to take it and continue it on. So he'd be a very happy man, alhamdulillah.
أن نحقق رسالة المسجد كما أرادها النبي عليه الصلاة والسلام وكما أرادها الإسلام.
A centre ahead of its time for all Australians.
Everything we do, Bismillah, Bismillah, with everything that's new, Bismillah, Bismillah, with every place we go, Bismillah, Bismillah, and every friend we know, Bismillah, Bismillah, ooh, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, ooh, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
It's been around for nearly 45 years and I've attended it ever since I was a little child. It's been a very important part of the community, a very important part of my growth, and I will never forget all of the great times, all the people and all of the learnings and lessons that I received from there. I hope that you will all support the mosque just as I am and just as the rest of my family have been.
Today, Preston Mosque is embarking on an historic journey to build a state-of-the-art place for worship and education for the community, but most importantly for our future generation. Be part of history by donating to this exciting new development, inshallah.
So please join me in support of Preston Mosque as we embark on this very special project.
Please give for the sake of Allah and put this mosque in your heart.
We need your support. We need your support.
We need your support.
We need your help.
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 Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Alhamdulillah.